Question number 19. Three consecutive vertices of a parallelogram ABCD are A 1, 2, B 1, 0 and C 4, 0. Find the fourth vertex. A is equal to 1, 2 and B is equal to 1, 0. C is equal to 4, 0 and fourth vertex D that is equal to x, y. A, B, C and D that is x, y, and A vertex is given 1, 2, B vertex is 1, 0, C vertex is 4, 0. Diagonal AC by midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is x1 y1, x2 y2, which implies diagonal of AC is equal to 1 plus 4 upon 2, 2 plus 0 upon 2, which implies AC is equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5 upon 2, and 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 upon 2. This is cancel, which implies we get AC is equal to 5 upon 2, 1. And diagonal of BD, that is x plus 1 upon 2, y plus 0 upon 2, which implies BD is equal to x plus 1 upon 2, y upon 2. Y plus 0, that is equal to y upon 2. So diagonal of AC is equal to diagonal of BD. That is diagonal of AC is 5 upon 2, 1 is equal to x plus 1 upon 2, y upon 2. First point, that is equal to 5 upon 2, and second point, that is equal to 1, which implies x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 2, which implies 2 is cancelled, x plus 1 is equal to 5, and implies by x is equal to 5 minus 1, which implies x is equal to 4. And second point, that is y upon 2 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 2 1s are 2. So vertex of D, that is x, y, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2. Answer. Given vertex A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 1 comma 0, and vertex C is equal to 4 comma 0. We find the fourth vertex. Let D is equal to x comma y. We find the value of x and y. We draw a parallelogram, that is A, B, C, D, and join AC and BD. Diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. So by midpoint formula, AC is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. x1 is 1 plus x2 is 4 divided by 2, and y1 is 2 plus y2 is 0 divided by 2. That is 4 plus 1 equal to 5 upon 2, and 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 upon 2. 2 is cancelled, and we get diagonal of AC is equal to 5 upon 2 comma 1, and diagonal of BD, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2, x plus 1 upon 2 comma y plus 0 upon 2, which implies VD is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 and y plus 0, that is equal to y upon 2. So diagonal of AC is equal to diagonal of VD. Diagonal of AC, that is 5 upon 2 comma 1, and diagonal of BD x plus 1 upon 2 comma y upon 2. First point we are comparing, first point, that is 5 upon 2, x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 2, 2 is cancelled, and x plus 1 is equal to 5, shifting 1 right side, 1 will be negative, and 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. We get the value of x is equal to 4. And second point, that is y upon 2 is equal to 1. Y upon 2 is equal to 1. 2 multiplying 1, that is 2 ones are 2, and we get the value of y is equal to 2. Vertex of D, that is x comma y. Vertex of D is equal to x comma y, and we get the value of x is 4 and value of y is equal to 2. So vertex of D is equal to 4 comma 2. Answer. Thank you.